In this video, I will show you how to add C translation on Instagram bio. To add a C translation option here, follow these easy steps. First of all, we have to use a different language to add a Instagram bio. So I'm going to opening my browser, and here's I opened Google Translate and translate from English to here. Select a different language. I'm selecting these Albanian, and in this English box I'm typing a random text, for example. And now here's, as you can see, this line translated to Albanian. I'm going to copy this text and going back to my profile and tapping on edit profile. And in this bio box, you have to add your new bio text. So all you have to add a different language instead of English language, and then just save changes. And now, as you can see, I've added a different language bio text on my Instagram profile. And now I'm going to view my Instagram profile from another Instagram account. So going to the profile page, and then here, as you can see, the C translation option successfully added. Using this option, I can easily translate the language in English. So that's how we can add C translation on our Instagram bio. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.